I still see you doing that little perm. And I see you still single.
Girl.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by moi. I did use my own coin today to buy these units. Now, before I get into these new to me, maybe not to you, sensational units, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So we are trying out the new Sensational Curls Kink & Co. 13x6 Kinky Blowout 20-inch unit. I got her in the color number 2. This is what her card is looking like. It does come with HG lace and kinky edges, and it does come in specialty colors, so if you guys want to check that out, you can. Hoping this is going to be a real easy install because I got things to do. Let me get her, let me get her out the packaging. So this is how she is looking out the pack. Ooh, that's soft. And that color is giving rich, real rich. That's what the hairline is looking like. It does look a little thick, but hopefully I can relax those a bit with my blow dryer. Ooh, this band feels a little snug. If I put the band around here and it's already like tightening around the cap, more than likely it's gonna be tight on my head. Hold up, I think I can loosen it. There we go. This is what the front is looking like, 13x6. You get the adjustable straps in the back and the comb. Are there combs on the side? Yes. And then obviously the elastic band. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Milk Chocolate to tint my lace all around the edges. I know this HG lace looks ashy and it does have like a greenish brown tint, but most times this lace blends down really well with your product. I'm gonna leave the straps on first and see how she fits on my head. Come on. There we go. You're 1 in a million. That's one thing about that synthetic hair. It'll pick up on that powder real quick. Let me spray a little water up there. Get some of that off. Brush it out, brush it out. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and my bristle brush and I'm gonna brush out my edges on warm and high heat. For the hairline, she a little thick, so I need to break her up a little bit. So I'm just gonna tweeze out some of the hair to break it up a bit. See how it did that? I cannot see. Let's hope I'm doing this right, because I wanted to kind of come down like that, if that makes sense. See how it's kind of straight like this? I wanted to kind of bump out here. So that means I need to take out some right here. This will just break up the hairline and my sideburns, create that space. Cut this lace off, cut it in 3 sections. Make sure I don't cut the hairline that I just created. Scissors, cut off my ear tabs. I think I am gonna spray it down just cause, you know, for the melt. I'm using my melt spray right around the front. I did use my blow dryer and bristle brush to straighten out the edges just to see how it was going to lay around my hairline, and once I did that, it was a little thick. I could definitely see that line, that halo around my face, so I did go in and tweeze up my hairline to give me this little action, and I do like it a lot better. Sensational. Ease up on the edges. We get it. You can do it. Just don't do that much. Especially for those of us who do not want to pluck our wigs. Give us a little bit more to work with. I did use my melt spray to lay this wig down. I did not put no heat to the actual curl of the unit. I just used my wide tooth comb to comb it out. And then I used my blow dryer on top to lay it down. Definitely be careful with the heat that you use on this unit. I was on high heat. I melted some of my wig. When you start adding heat to these synthetic texture wigs, it will change the texture of the unit. You can see right here, it's shiny, but you still see that texture in there. Whereas on top, where I put most of my heat, it looks a little silky. Blow dry that joint on warm. Ooh, like my neck, because it's hot. Once I took the band off my wig, I did use my Eco Styler gel to lay my curls, baby hairs, adult swoops, whatever you want to call it. So that's how that's looking on the side over here. And that is it for that. Okay, she is looking good. She looks healthy. I am loving this wig on me. I will say the layers are a little long for the middle part. I wanted to do the side part like she had, and I feel like it helped the layers lay a lot better on my face. Y'all see the body? Now before you ask, this one is, I I wouldn't say it is comparable to Outre Julienne just because Outre Julienne has a lot more layers and body to it. A more comparable unit on the Sensational side would be Sensational Letitia does match Outre Julienne in the 24-inch, not so much the shorter length. Probably Sensational Adana. That came out around the same time as Julienne. However, Adana has longer layers, but the thickness is pretty much the same. This one definitely has longer layers and is not as thick as Julienne. I left a little bit too much lace on my wig. Hold up. If you got too much lace on your wig, it will create like a halo effect, and we don't want that. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this wig. I mean, she looks good. It's giving Rich Auntie. Rich Auntie got a blowout. Huh? What y'all think?
Hey, family.
Now, is that Pat? Look at Janice.
Hey, Pat.
Oh, hey, Pat. Don't hey, Pat me. Come on, bring it in. Hey, girl.
Yeah.
Y'all know I'm about to get the party started. I got the box, okay?
The box
Girl,
wine.
Sam's got them on sale 3 for $15. And you know I stocked up, child. I already bought a couple bottles, you know, from my wine cellar. Jared got another promotion, so, you know, we had that built, you know, a couple months ago. Speaking of, how old is that man now?
Yeah.
I know he pushing 80.
Yeah.
You done went and got yourself a daddy papa. I ain't mad at it. I know I invited you to the housewarming. Remember, you were on that cruise with that woman's husband.
Yeah,
with that man. Y'all know how I do, one and done. Ain't no ring on this finger. Everyone can't be Janice. I still see you doing that little perm. And I see you still single. Girl. I mean, everybody can't be natural like your girl. You know, I don't have time, you know, with all the businesses and stuff. I just need something easy. And, you know, the men like the natural now. No shade, Janice, you know. And Janice, I applaud you, girl, because that man touched me, I'm screaming. I mean, immediately. I'm just joking, Janice. Yeah. Here we go with wig number 2. Okay, this is a 13x6 kinky curly in the 18 inches. Let me tell you, them inches are inching, okay? Because I chop a good amount of hair off this wig just to give me some movement and layers around my face. I really didn't have no rhyme or reason to my cutting. I just started cutting. I was hoping for the best, and we got there little by little, so I ain't mad at it. I will need to go in and cut the back of my wig though, because it's a little flat. I gotta put a layer up around this part, but this is how she looks into the back. Nothing crazy. Kinky straight doesn't come in gray, but this one has gray. All right, sensational. Now with this one, you more than likely will get tangles and shedding after a while. The other one, you will get tangles, you know, soon after you put her on. Just comb her out and she'll be fine. But y'all see how this hair is looking? Look at this wig, child. I don't know which one I like more. Y'all tell me. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my units down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.